Sometimes the hardest part is letting go, even when you know it's for the best. We try to move on, but it can feel like we're just going through the motions. Everyone has advice, but not all of it feels right for you. Let me guess. Your friends told you to delete their number. Go to the gym. There's plenty of fish in the sea. And you're sitting there thinking, that doesn't actually fix the hole in my chest. What if I told you that healing isn't about force? It's about a series of surprising, almost counterintuitive steps that have nothing to do with your ex and everything to do with you. Welcome. Most breakup advice is about the other person, erasing them, replacing them, getting revenge on them. That keeps you stuck. True bouncing back is an inside job. It's about giving yourself radical permission to heal in the way you need to. These 7 steps are how you do that. Ready for a new approach? Here are 7 surprising steps to help you heal. Step 1. Curate a museum of us. Do not delete and burn everything. That's emotional violence against your own history. Instead, be the archivist. Get a box, put the photos, the letters, the hoodie inside, label it, put it on a high shelf. You're not erasing the past. You're respectfully placing it in a museum, acknowledging it was real, and choosing not to live there anymore. Step 2 is all about giving yourself permission to just be. Step 2. Schedule rotting time. Give yourself permission to do absolutely nothing. Literally block out 2 hours on your calendar to rot. Watch bad TV, stare at the ceiling, cry. By scheduling it, you contain the despair. It's not your whole life anymore. It's a scheduled appointment with your grief, and when the time's up, you get up. Music can change your mood in an instant. Let's make it work for you. Step 3. Craft a villain-era playlist. Music is emotional fuel. Right now, your algorithm is feeding you sad songs. Fight back. Create a playlist of songs that make you feel powerful, unstoppable, and iconic. Listen to it while you get ready, while you drive. Soundtrack your comeback. Growth starts small. Even a plant can teach you resilience. Step 4. Adopt a plant. Before you can nurture a relationship, practice nurturing something that can't love you back but still thrives under your care. It's a low-stakes practice in consistent care. Keep it alive. It's a tiny daily win that proves you can create growth. Remember what made you happy as a child? It's time to rediscover that joy. Step 5. The 5-year-old you test. Ask yourself, what would make 5-year-old me absolutely thrilled? Would it be building a giant Lego set, eating a whole pizza, going to the zoo? Reconnect with the version of you that found joy in things long before your ex was ever in the picture. Your digital space should lift you up, not bring you down. Step 6. Execute a joyful purge. This isn't about burning memories. This is about your digital space. Unfollow, mute, or block anyone on social media who doesn't make you feel inspired, positive, or genuinely happy. Curate your input. Your feed should be a garden, not a garbage dump. Celebrate yourself. You deserve moments of joy just for you. Step 7. Plan a solo celebration. Book a ticket to a concert for one. Make a reservation at that fancy restaurant for one. Take a solo day trip. Prove to yourself in a tangible way that you are capable of being your own best company and creating your own magic. Let's be clear, these steps aren't a magic spell. Some days you will rot a little longer. Some days you'll forget to water the plant. That's okay. This isn't about perfection. It's about direction. It's about choosing yourself in small ways every single day. The goal isn't to get over someone, it's to get back to yourself. And that person is pretty incredible. This pain, it's the material you'll use to build a stronger, more resilient, and more joyful you. That's the surprising gift. Which one of these steps are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. I read them all. For a free printable checklist of these 7 steps, the link is in the description. If you're ready to choose yourself and build a life you love from the inside out, subscribe for more. You've got this.